Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will teach you about some Jamaican sayings or Jamaican proverbs that I used to hear a lot when I was younger, and these might very well be some useful advice which could guide you in your daily life. Let's go. Number one, see I'm blind, ear and deaf. Mama, look, isn't that Sharon's husband with another woman? He's cheating on her.
Beat me. Keep on your mouth.
See I'm blind, ear and deaf. Literally, this is saying see and be blind, hear and be deaf. In other words, don't put yourself in something that does not concern you. So you might observe a situation that's happening and you must pretend as if you're blind, or you might hear someone say something and you must pretend as if you're deaf. In other words, you did not hear it or you did not see it. There's also a second interpretation of this where it's similar to the popular expression that says see no evil, hear no evil, and potentially do no evil. Number two, agwala in a first water and see.
How was the interview, son?
Well, it was okay. They offered me 5,000 euros per
That's
month.
very good.
No, I mean, I didn't accept because the job before offered me 3,000. This one offered me
Listen.
5,000. So my mother always tells me say, agwala in a first water and see. Literally, hogs or pigs wallow in the first water that they see. What this means is that often the first opportunity that comes your way, you should take advantage of it. Do not let what is before you, what is in front of you, go past you. Don't let it slip through your fingers. Don't lose out on something that you could have got. Number three, if you can't catch quacko, you're all in shot.
Please, man, stop. Hey, man, why are you doing this? I've never done anything to you.
If you can't catch quacko, you're all in shot. If you can't catch quacko, then you will hold his shirt. So in other words, if I cannot hold you, if I cannot catch you as a person, then I might hold your shirt. And your shirt here symbolizes something that is of importance to you or something that belongs to you. Let's put this expression into perspective. If you do me harm and I don't have the opportunity to harm you, then I might target your family, your children, your dog, or something else. Number four, member say, I know one day monkey want wife.
Bro, are you seriously choosing to watch the game over coming to my first concert?
Bro, stop being a drama queen. I can always see your concert online, or when you get home you tell me about it. You know tonight's the final match and I have to see this game.
You know what? I know one day monkey want wife.
Literally, this means remember that a monkey doesn't need a wife for only one day. In other words, remember that you don't only need someone or something for a single occasion. So you must be smart, you must be wise in how you use people, how you treat people and things, because these might be things that you need or you will need for the future. Number five, dog nyame sopa.
Alright, Mrs. Brown, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Roman, yes daddy?
Why is the teacher requesting that I come up to school and see her tomorrow?
I'm not sure, I didn't know anything.
You better make sure in the boy. Our dog, nyam your supper.
Oh, this brings back so many memories. It's an expression that my mom used to say to me a lot. Literally, it means a dog will eat your supper.
But in the Jamaican context, it means that
You're in trouble. That's literally what it meant in the Jamaican context, that you're in trouble. So for example, I would do something and my mom would say, when I go home, dog, nyam your supper. So when we get home, you're in trouble. I will punish you.
the expression could also be interpreted in two other ways. One, be careful lest you reap trouble. Or two, be careful of what you have lest you lose it.
Alright, that is our video for today. Which expression was your favorite? For me personally, it's dog nyam your supper. I don't know why, I just love the expression. And if you'd like to know more Jamaican proverbs or Jamaican sayings, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do a part 2. Anyways, as usual, please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.